What is the best and most lucrative way to stake the Realio token? Let's find out right now. Welcome to the APY Guide channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, to start out, I love the Realio project. I think it's great. I think it's going to do very well in the next bull market. Real world assets are going to be a thing. It's going to be a very popular genre. Today, the last few days, I had a problem where I was not able to swap my BSC RIO tokens to Realio Network. So I was in the Discord asking around on why I could not transfer non-native RIO to native RIO. It was my fault. I made a mistake. It was a simple solution. But I went into the Discord and I did not get any response. I did get a response from somebody. I guess now it's Crypto Philip. It used to be something else. It was a different name. You have to be careful with this stuff. I gave my address, which is not going to do anything. They can't do it. But this guy basically said I had to put my seed phrase into this site, ren. I did not do it, obviously. It says, why would I enter my seed phrase into anything, especially into a random app? He makes excuses. I am not entering my seed phrase. I bridged to native RIO before. You're required to import your wallet for validation. This is never the option. You always have to make sure you never give your seed phrase away. This is a lesson, another lesson for me. Was I going to do it? No, I'm never going to give my seed phrase to anyone. But at the same time, I was in the Discord and this guy, let me see if I can find it. He was in the regular general chat. And it said he was a moderator. Here, it says moderator, community manager. And I don't know. Just be super careful, guys. I don't want to dwell on this for too long. But at the same time, a bunch of people are asking me, what happened and if I was able to get it. Yeah, it was my dumb fault. And I did not have enough BNB in my wallet to do the transaction. Because I had I had some RIO tokens in BSC on Binance Smart Chain. And I didn't have enough BNB in my wallet. So it wouldn't accept the transaction. I'm going to show you something here quick too that I didn't know about. There is two different ways to bridge, two different options. Alright guys, I'm going to show you exactly what happened with me. If you go to the network and you go to the bridge and you don't have enough gas fees for the bridge, you're going to have a problem. So what I suggest is going to the wallet and then depending on go to RIO and then go to cross-chain swap. And that's going to tell you different ways you can swap from Stellar, from Ethereum, from Algorand. I think there was a commenter I haven't responded to. I'm sorry because I was having problems myself. Algorand, BNB chain. So my issue was BNB to Realio Network because I want to stake. And I must have not had a certain amount of BNB. I had some BNB in my account, but I was getting so frustrated because it wouldn't swap. And then I went to the Discord and I made a ticket. And the Discord, nobody responded to the ticket, which it's not a, they're probably busy, whatever. It is what it is. But then somebody came out and said they were a moderator, and they said, text me your address or send me your address. I sent the address, which is not going to do anything because, maybe somebody will donate to me if I send my address. Just kidding. But you have to be careful because they sent me to another site that was going to drain my account. They were asking for my seed phrase. You have to be super careful in this game. There is a lot of money to be made, but at the same time, there's a lot of money to be lost. So you have to be super careful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I do leave my email. I have an email out there for you to email me questions. Leave them in the comments, which would be better. And make sure you like the video, please, because I just want to make sure you guys are safe. And I really like Realio as a project. It was a bad experience today and the last couple of days because I didn't have any response. But it's a very low market cap coin. So at the same time, let's look at the positives. The positives are I didn't lose money today. I was about to. If I would have put my seed phrase into that website, I would have lost quite a bit. At the same time, if we go to network, this is how you actually stake. So you have to transfer your RIO tokens from whatever network they are. I would suggest going to wallet, go down here to RIO, and then go to cross-chain swap. The most important part of this is that if you're swapping from BNB or XLM or wherever, you need to have gas in your wallet. It's a stupid mistake I made today. I had some gas, but not quite enough. So you have to make sure you have that gas in your wallet. So if it's going to be Algorand, you have to have Algo in your wallet, obviously, BNB, and Ethereum, probably way too much Ethereum. And then XLM, you need that in your wallet as well. Once you get your native tokens, then you're going to go down to network. And then that's where you're going to pick your validator. Does it matter which validator you stake to? I'm not exactly sure, to be honest with you, with the RIO network. If somebody knows different, leave it in the comments. I go with the low commission ones because I want to get the most out of my money. But at the same time, I think it's good to have a variety. I have two. I'm not going to show it to you right now. I have two different validators I'm delegating to. One's this one with aliens on it, restake enabled. The other one is one that somebody suggested to me a long time ago. So I have more in that validator. You basically just hit stake, and then you give the amount of tokens, and then you just hit delegate. It's very simple. The reason for this video is a lot of people were wondering how to swap cross-chain. And the answer is make sure you have enough gas fees in your wallet. It was my mistake today. I almost got hacked possibly and lost money. I did not. And I want you to make sure you do not lose money as well. So I'm going to put this out as an urgent video. I like Realio as a project. The RIO token is amazing. It's going up quite a bit. I'm not going to look at the chart right now because I'm already at 10 minutes on the video. Maybe we'll look at it in the future. But at the same time, be careful, guys. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.